Good morning. We are here to celebrate the Vanmahotsav, and we are very grateful to the Honorable Minister to gracing the occasion. And I think together with the Forest Department, we'll have more green cover. And we'd like to express our thanks and gratitude to the Honorable Minister and the Forest Department. Thank you.
So today I'm very happy that here along with Rear Admiral Dankarji, PCCF, Rajiv Gupta ji, Prashant ji, Commodore Prashant ji, then our Umakant ji, APCCF, and all the officers, Saurabh, and all the officers of the INS Mandovi Forest Department, and everyone present here, all the officers, sailors. Whole thing is that as we have been giving a lot of importance and talking about so much of importance on increasing the green cover in the state and maintaining the green cover in different ways, and why it is important we have all discussed today. And I only want to assure on today's day that this I was writing there is that this brings back my old memories when my father, also was the chief minister, used to come regularly to INS Mandovi for any function given. I used to always hear in my thing, and sometimes we used to be brought and we used to be taken around, and that's the relationship that we have got here. And also I have assured Dankarji that whatever initiatives they take up in order to maintain the green cover or whatever can be done jointly, I mean the Forest Department will always be backing all the initiatives, and I'm very happy to be with them here today and grateful to them for having partnered with us in this event of Vanmahotsav today.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.